Chickens are best raised for their meat and eggs. They have a round, feathered body with combs and beaks. Chickens live in a group with a lead rooster and are carried up to birds that scratch and pick the ground for food. While they can't fly, chickens have strong legs for pitching. Hence lay lots of eggs, relatively easy to care for. Chickens have been an important farm animal for centuries. Dogs are beloved, domesticated mammals that come in a wide variety of shapes, size, and coat types depending on the breed. Most dogs are highly social mammals that form strong bonds with their human families, display a range of friendly, loyal, and affectionate behaviors. Dogs typically have excellent senses of smell and hearing, as well as good vision, which allows them to excel at tasks like guarding, hunting, and herding. Intelligent and trainable, many dog breeds are used to assist people with disabilities or perform specialized jobs. However, all dogs require regular exercise, grooming, and veterinary care to maintain their health and well-being. With an average lifespan of 10 to 15 years, dogs make wonderful lifelong companions for people of all ages. Cats are graceful, independent domestic animals that come in a variety of physical types and personalities. Most have a light, agile build, sharp retractable claws, and acute senses that make them skilled hunters. While sometimes perceived as aloof, cats often form strong bonds with their human caregivers, showering them with affection. Felines are known for their fastidious grooming habits, flexibility, and ability to sleep up to 20 hours a day. Though less trainable than dogs, cats are intelligent creatures that can learn basic commands. With an average lifespan of 12 to 18 years, domestic cats make adaptable, self-sufficient companions.